Hey, this is my bike check. Changed a couple of things since I did my latest one. Basically, I've just got the counterpart light, the Arrow, the '09 model. Sprayed a couple of things like burrs, forks, cranks. Let me think. Got some nuke-proof lock-on grips. They wear down fairly fast, but they're nice grips when you got them. I don't know which ones to get next. I'll probably end up getting some new ones in a while. Got an exposure half-link chain. My last one snapped a couple of times. This one snapped a couple of times as well, but built it back and it's strong. It's not snapped in a while. Got a Primo Comet 2.1 on the back. That's lasted alright. Good tight, it's nice. I just got this a couple of days ago. It's a FitFast 2.3 on the front. It's nice and wide, nice and grippy. I like it. I've got wheel-wise, the only things I'd put on is rim and spokes on the back. It's Alienation version 2 black sheep rim and 36 double-butted Mutiny spokes. And V8 pedals, my DMI one. I think they were on the last bike check though. And Animal seat clamp, which was only $1.99 down from $8.99 just because of the colour, so I snapped my bolt in my other one, so other than that, I think it's the same. Yeah.